Welcome to the first video from Wrapstars, guys. We're actually starting off our series here with our garage. Just a standard 2-car garage. Very, very bare. We actually just moved into this place and had the Tesla charger installed. So as you guys know, we drive a Tesla Model Y. So this would be kind of nice, as well as some customer cars that we're wrapping and things like that. We can charge their cars here as well. One thing we did right when we got in, the walls were disgusting. So we ended up painting this nice little scuff defense, bear paint from Home Depot. It's waterproof and it has a nice flat color. So if we ever take pictures and things like that in here, it'll show up nicely. One other thing that I wanted to do were these guys that showed up. Thanks to the guys over at Swisstrax. This is their modular flooring. It's basically like Legos for grown-up adults. I got the first row started here, guys. As you guys can see, I'm not going to bore you to details with how to install these. There's millions of videos, including Obsessed Garage, and actually Swisstrax themselves, who have a really nice install video. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on time lapse, so you guys can go ahead and just check it out and see the final results. And just like that, we are almost all done. We're not actually quite all the way done. As you guys can see, we have some gaps around the edges here, as well as back here and back here. So we're gonna wrap those up. My friend with a larger miter saw is gonna have to come by so we can make some nice, precise cuts so we can have it right, flush up against the wall. So the deionized system, the pressure washer setup is all going to be coming in and installed here. We will make another video for that, guys. But just wanted to share that. A big thanks to my wife right there. She's our PPF installer, Sienna, over here at Wrapstars. She helped install pretty much all of this flooring. So what do you guys think of the Swisstrax flooring? I know I've had some guys that like them, some guys that don't. They like the epoxy floor coatings. I have a little bit of reservation against epoxy floor coating, especially for us paint protection film installers. The one thing that we notice is epoxy floor coatings, you have a lot of standing water. When you spray the slip solution, we use a lot of soap, and it gets very slippery. So if you don't have the water drain out, like with the Swisstrax flooring, you have a very, very slippery flooring surface. And it's sometimes when you're doing stretches on big hoods, hatches, rear trunks, and things like that, doing one-piece bulk installations, that's a problem. And we've actually had a couple of times where we've slipped and it's caused a problem on the installation. So this is hopefully going to solve that. We are also thinking of putting a new SPAM lift here as well later on. But in the meantime, we will be using our race ramps just to get the vehicles up. But yeah, that's all in the future. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is our initial video for Wrapstars, where we will be showing you guys how to apply paint protection film, ceramic coatings, detailing, and a little bit of Tesla modifications because we own a Tesla as well. Thank you guys.